Do you see the factory behind me? Despite its unremarkable appearance, it has a big secret. At the first National Sorting Center in Henan Province, the alternative fuel production line we're introducing is located in it, overlooking it like a giant dragon lying on its back. Now let's take a closer look. Whether it's solid waste or textile waste, the process begins with this template conveyor, which feeds materials into this dual-shaft shredding system for primary shredding. The shredded material is then transferred via a large inclined belt conveyor to the sorting stage, magnetic separation and air separation. Magnetic separation removes metal components, ensuring safety and efficiency in the next steps. This is our air separation. Air separation works by leveraging differences between material weight and wind resistance. Heavy materials like stones, bricks, metal blocks are sorted out for landfill or other treatments. The lighter sorted materials then undergo secondary shredding in a single shaft system. The output size meets 90% compliance based on customer requirements. To adapt to diverse scenarios, this production line splits into two parallel processing routes here. The left side conveyor feeds materials into the baler, compacting them into bales less adjustable for easy transport. The right side conveyor feeds materials into this RDF pelletizing machine, where solid waste is shipped into formed fuel and textile waste into processed feedstocks, ensuring every import gets a tailored solution. Beyond that, the entire line is equipped with dust removal system, smart monitoring system, guaranteeing energy efficiency, safety, and eco-friendliness throughout the whole process. So, what do you think of this production line? Do you need one?